side. Right, I just have to see how the lights perform outside. Just look at that. So at this time of year, the light is always an issue for filming, and it's been putting a big damper on my ability to make videos of any kind. We're working still the same hours as in summer, but you don't have light. I was doing the drone flight when there was still light sitting on top of the mountain, and I was going to talk to you while sitting up there. But when I got up there and I had the drone flying, I realized I forgot my cameras in the Jeep. And I had about 5 minutes of light. As you can see in the drone, is just the sun just clearing the mountains, and it's just setting there now. So I thought we'd have a quick update on the rivers. The Orange River, the Vaal River first. The Vaal Dam is at 95%. Not much in and outflow, it's keeping a stable situation, and the Bloemhof Dam is at a surprising 108%, which is quite high. I haven't looked at the data whether it's completely abnormal or it has happened like that before, but those dams don't have hydroelectric generation capacity, so they will probably, it's just water use, and since there is some water flowing into the dam, it will just stay at that level. Gariep and Van der Kloof dams are different. They can generate electricity. So you can see that at Gariep, when it goes above 100%, they use some of it to generate electricity. Let it drop down to about 95-96% again, and then that same water is used at Van der Kloof from above 100, well, just above 100% till just about below 100% they generate electricity. They're not currently doing it, but the high flow, abnormally high flow for this time of year that we are seeing here now, is that hydroelectricity generation. I have to say it's quite nice that the river's cleaned up a lot. It hasn't been this clean in a while. Now the Western Cape dams, I think everybody's seen the good rains they've had there, and the Western Cape, as far as I could make out, the total dam volume is roughly at 93%, not the whole Western Cape, the Cape area, Cape Town area is at the 93% of their total capacity, and they have more rain forecast in the next week and a half. They have about another 40 millimeters forecast, so most certainly that will reach about 100% if that rain realizes. The Eastern Cape, there's also some good news. They haven't had big rains like the Western Cape. They don't have huge inflows into the dams, but my dad's been driving up above the dam, and what's good to see is that the rains that they have had has filled all the creeks, and there's always some water flowing into the dam. The dam's crept up from I think it was at 14% to last week it had reached 24%, and this week it's now at above 26%. What's also contributing to that is the canals are empty. They were doing maintenance on the canal, so nobody can withdraw any water at the moment, so that helps it climb. So I've seen in the forecast, we see some rains forecast for the Eastern Cape, but in the long term, more than 7 days away, it usually disappears by the time it should arrive, and we'll have to see about that, but I have a good feeling for this season. I think we're going to see rains there, and I'm hoping to visit there and to see the rains firsthand. Might get some footage of that if it happens. So that's the last pinkish light there on the mountain. Time to get home. Probably just in time for some load shedding. Load shedding's also had a big impact on the ability to edit videos. I've taken some footage that I just never got around to editing, because if you arrive at home and you have an hour to prepare some food, and after that you have load shedding from 8 till 10, that just kills productivity. And I have a generator, but I really dislike starting it. Anyways, can't do any sound editing while the generator is running, but maybe we can make some plans around that. Anyways, we have a walk back. We have to walk till about there, so let's do that before the light fades too much, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.